Hey, how's it going, guys? Young Guns Hunter here, and today I got two hanger boxes from Walmart containing two 16-17 packs, one Series 1, one Series 2. Trying to go for Austin Matthews Young Guns or Mitch Marner, and we'll try to get a Brock Besser top rookies. So let's get at it. I try to find the new championship collection hanger boxes, but they're all sold out. But they still have these, so I figured, well, might as well get two boxes of these to get a break. Haven't had a break in a while. It's actually my first break of 2020. And our top rookies is of Victor Mete, solid defensive defenseman from Montreal. Yeah, Victor Mete. Top rookies. So you got one 16-17 Series 1 pack and a 16-17 Series 2 pack. We'll look at Series 2 first. There we go. Hoping we get a young gun or something. So, first pack, Kevin Fiala, UC Jokinen, Mikkel Bodker, a Jacob Larson marquee rookie. That's okay. Nick Bjugstad, Alex Goligoski, David Backes, and Scott Layton. Now for Series 1. Hopefully we get a young gun. Nice. Andre Burakovsky, Boone Jenner, Jason Pominville, Carl Alsner. We got a young gun. That's not bad. Of Chris Biggrass. That's okay. I don't have him. I don't have his young guns. It's not bad. I don't know where he's at nowadays, but he's probably playing in Europe. Mike Green, Tyler Toffoli, Johnny Oduya. Second pack. Give it a rip. Got a top rookies of Luke Kunin. That's okay. Start off with Series 2 again. So here we go. JT Miller. Playing very well for my Vancouver Canucks. Dustin Brown. Adam Larson. Ooh, Sebastian Aho. OPG rookie card, retro. He's been following me around lately. That's not bad. He's a good player. Good card. I like that card. Chris Kunitz. Richard Panik. Keith Yandel. And Peter Mrazek. And next pack up, Series 1. Series 1. Jonathan Erickson. Leo Komarov. A little bit sticky. Sam Bennett. Benoit Pouliot, Ales Hemsky, Vinny Trocheck, Jordan Martinook, and Matt Bolesky. Well, that's it for our break. Thanks for watching.